Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Audi Q5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.